Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually add a brand like new plugin into your WordPress website. So, without any further talking, let's get ahead and start with this tutorial. First of all, go ahead and open your wordpress.com/wp-admin and put your username and password. Right after that, go ahead and open this dashboard and go to your plugins. Now come here and I will show you the most popular plugins that you must have in your website. So first of all, we need this plugin, which will be called something like that. Let me just go down. All right, I've seen some one of these that they are okay. So now let's choose. First of all, you need to have this one. Okay, and let's install it. We need to have this one. Okay, I have to update my WordPress, but this one is really essential for optimizing your SEO in your site. And then you have to install the Elementor plugin. As you can see, it has more than 5 million installation, and it is very important to have it on your website because it adds so much decoration. I mean, it adds so much flexibility while editing your website. You can add image whatever you like. You can add like whatever you think about. You can add it using this plugin that's called Elementor. So let's install it as well. And here we add this translate multi-language site, which we will need it as well. And now that's all the plugins that you will essentially need them at the beginning. Of course, you need this really simple SSL to make your website secured. And now let's go to installed plugins, or wait. Okay, let's wait until this plugin is installed. Let's go to add new, not add new, install plugins. This page for get this dialog and leave. Okay, now from here you go to here and activate all your plugins, just like so. They will be all activated, unless some of them will need to be updated later on, just to be activated for you. So it might take a little bit of time, but by the end all of these plugins will be activated and ready to go for you guys. So that was it for today's tutorial. That's how you can actually add a plugin to your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.